Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll talk about adverbs of frequency, the negative form. Here we have got adverbs of frequency, the negative form. I don't usually, he doesn't usually. Keling bir qator eslab o'tamiz. Never 0% hech qachon. Sometimes 40% ba'zida. Often 60% tez-tez. Usually 80% odatda. Always har doim 100%. Here we have got the subject, are you, we, they. Auxiliary, do. The negative form is don't. I'm sorry. Adverbs of frequency, often, usually. Verbs, sing, play. An object or phrase, a song or video games. I don't often sing a song. Men. Tez, qo'shiq, kuylamayman. Kuylamayman. Yani negative form, don't. You don't usually play video games. Sen odatda video gamelar o'ynamaysan. Va hokazo. Bunga e'tibor qaratasiz. First, auxiliary, birinchi yordamchi fe'l. Birinchi subject, keyin yordamchi fe'l, keyin adverbs of frequency, keyin asosiy fe'l keladi. Adverbs of frequency yordamchi fe'l va asosiy fe'lni o'rtasida keladi. Or for he, she, we don't say don't, you know it, right? We say doesn't. He doesn't often sing a song. Here we have got auxiliary, and here we have got the main verb, right? An adverb of frequency is between them. Now, please pay attention to this. We use a positive verb with never. Biz never so'zi bilan positive, ya'ni inkor shaklida ishlatmaymiz. Ijobiy, ya'ni darak shaklida ishlatamiz. We never eat in a restaurant. Biz hech qachon restoranda yemaymiz. Mana bunaqa aytmaysiz. We don't never eat in restaurants demaysiz. Nimaga? Chunki neverning o'zi aslida inkor. Endi bu yerda agar often bo'lganda don't qo'shgan bo'lardingiz. Always bo'lganda don't qo'shgan bo'lardingiz. Lekin neverga don't qo'shmaymiz. O'zi aslida bu inkor. Men hech qachon restoranda ovqatlanmayman degani. So, here we have got the exercise. Pause the video and correct the mistakes. I hope you paused the video and corrected the mistakes. Let's have a look at the answers together. I don't always eat pizza on Fridays. I don't always eat. Don't va eatning orasida always. Auxiliary and verb. She never goes to school on Sundays. Nimaga goes? Chunki bu she. She never goes to school on Sundays. We play not usually football in the park. We don't usually play football in the park. Auxiliary, adverb of frequency, verb. They watch not sometimes TV in the evening. Buni they don't sometimes watch TV in the evening qilsak, grammatik jihatdan to'g'ri. Lekin ular ba'zida televizor ko'rmaydi emas, ular doim ham televizor ko'ravermaydi deyishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Shuning uchun sometimes o'rniga always ni ishlatish afzalroq. They don't always watch TV in the evening. Or here, he doesn't often drink juice for breakfast. Agar sizda javoblar to'g'ri chiqqan bo'lsa, tabriklayman. Agar kamchiliklar yoki xatolar bo'lgan bo'lsa, videoni boshdan ko'rishni tavsiya qilaman. See you next time. Bye.